Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano ADA is still battling the strong pull of the bear market. The coin's past price performance and market share have made ADA a new trailblazer for crypto coins. The volatility of the crypto market may suggest that a bull run may be just around the corner. But now Bitboy Crypto has revealed that ADA will be delisted from exchanges permanently. Could this happen? Let's find out. Today, we're going to be talking about what Bitboy Crypto has said about Cardano. Despite the current bear run, ADA remains a pretty hot pick among crypto coins. Based on the coin's past performance, another positive spike may happen. So you better stick around until the end of this video while we give you the lowdown on what's happened. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new updates in the world of investing. The crypto market as a whole is going down, and Cardano ADA has been on a downward trend for the past few days, currently hovering at around the $1 mark. This has placed the altcoin as the 6th largest coin in terms of market cap at the time of this recording. Bitboy Crypto just revealed that ADA will be delisted from exchanges permanently. Let's take a closer look and see whether this could really happen. One of the reasons why Cardano ADA and the crypto market as a whole is experiencing a downturn is because of the crypto coins and their involvement with legal action with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, Cardano ADA has not had to face the same challenges. In fact, Cardano announced a partnership earlier this year with blockchain analytics provider Confirm to ensure that it complies with regulatory frameworks around the world, including anti-money laundering rules. News then broke that eToro plans to delist Cardano ADA after December 31st, 2021. This came as a shock to the crypto sector. eToro is based in Israel, and it stated that changes were made due to business-related considerations in their evolving regulatory environment. There is a silver lining, though, that users will still be free to trade any tokens that they already own. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano ADA, reacted by saying, "This is simply the nature of the game. The only way we'll be able to solve this as an industry is through regulatory clarity." Hoskinson, who also co-founded the major cryptocurrency platform Ethereum, made the announcement after eToro's statement was released. If you're a European entity with primarily European customers, you usually limit your US exposure because the cost of US exposure is extremely high, he added, referring to eToro's European domicile and claiming that US-based exchanges such as Coinbase are already paying for regulatory compliance and thus find it much easier to comply with domestic regulations. In the midst of all the negativity surrounding Cardano ADA, Hoskinson has been further irked by payment provider BitPay. BitPay recently listed the crypto coin SHIB over ADA, despite the results of a user poll favoring the latter. On December 8th, BitPay released a Twitter poll asking users which token they would like to see listed. The options included a choice of 15 prominent tokens, including ADA. However, BitPay decided to support SHIB before the poll ended. This drew criticisms. Why did BitPay hold the poll in the first place? In response to the listing, Hoskinson took to Twitter to ask again, what was the point of the poll? If the payment provider was going to list Shiba Inu anyway, well, one Twitter user echoed Hoskinson's sentiment. He captured the voting results as they stood on December 10th, and it showed Cardano leading the poll with a 41% lead in the votes, followed by Tron with 36. Tron, the native token of Chinese-American entrepreneur Justin Sun's Tron Foundation, was also delisted by eToro. Tron's price has gone up from 3 cents to 10 cents in 2021, making it the 30th most valuable cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Despite the apparent disconnect between the poll's results and listing announcements, there is the possibility though that Cardano could get listed on BitPay. While BitPay's yet to comment on the situation or clarify whether the poll influences listing decisions, submitting a vote shows that the poll will run until December 30th. Many critics have argued that the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency in the United States is still unclear. Officials believe that regulation is necessary, and more policies are expected to be implemented by 2022. And now Bitboy Crypto just revealed that ADA will be delisted from exchanges permanently. The US Treasury recently announced proposed changes to cryptocurrency reporting as part of President Joe Biden's proposed American Families Plan. The plan would implement a new rule for businesses and crypto exchanges, requiring them to report any cryptocurrency transactions within a fair market value of $10,000 or more to the IRS. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes that there's not yet an adequate framework for tackling cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. However, it is a topic worth addressing. The Treasury also reported that despite consulting a relatively small portion of business income today, cryptocurrency transactions are likely to rise in importance in the next decade. This will sound like music to the ears of any crypto enthusiast or investor. When you have a reputed institution like the United States Treasury predicting a positive future for cryptocurrencies, well, Cardano ADA could benefit immensely from that kind of backing. According to a 2019 report on crypto regulation from Brookings Economic Studies, better regulation will benefit crypto investors, further the development of new technologies, curtail the use of crypto assets used for illicit payments, and reduce the risk of cyber attacks, which can result in collateral damage elsewhere in our financial system. In other words, the probability for crypto coins like Cardano ADA to gain mainstream financial acceptance is at an all-time high. If better regulation is matched by the approval from the Federal Reserve in 2022, ADA's price could take off. Some experts are even saying that the latest move towards regulation from the Treasury is unlikely to be the last. Andrew Gordon, CPA, a tax attorney and president of Gordon Law Group, had this to say: "I expect more enforcement action, despite what happens with this specific proposal. The wave of regulatory crackdowns that began with eToro has resulted in a drop in cryptocurrency prices and a continuing bear market. There's also growing regulations in China that have spooked markets several times. The news of Cardano being delisted surprised the crypto community. ADA is still available on eToro, and US customers can still buy without restriction. Bitstamp, the Luxembourg-based exchange, also announced that Cardano would be listed. Some of the biggest exchanges have listed Cardano ADA. It was listed on Coinbase on March 19th, and it was already available on other popular trading platforms like Binance and Kraken. In fact, the February edition of the Kraken Intelligence Report on the crypto industry said that the exchange focused on the biggest proof-of-stake blockchain in the crypto market. The report, titled Cardano, a new generation of smart contract platform design, eulogized the Cardano blockchain for its value-based approach to building its ecosystem. Kraken points out that Cardano is one of the more resilient blockchain networks that emerged from the initial coin offering (ICO) era of crypto market. Cardano has continued to deliver on its promised roadmap, although sometimes with significant delays. However, when they do bring their products to the market, the Cardano blockchain has always lived up to its expectations, as an emphasis on community governance, academic peer review, and the assurance programming has always shone through. Kraken Intelligence highlights that Cardano is well on its way to bringing its vision of onboarding 2 billion people if it continues its development track. That's due to the key partnerships and milestones that the network has been recording from the last year. Cardano has formed partnerships with several governments, especially in Africa. Massive network growth as well continues to be recorded both off-chain and on-chain on Cardano. One key driver of the network growth is the burgeoning Web3 ecosystem that is being developed and utilizing Cardano's unique Plutus smart contracts platform. As outlined in Cardano's roadmap, this year has a lineup of developments, activities, and upgrades that will bring scalability to Cardano as part of its Basho era. Among these are Hydra, a layer 2 scaling solution that will make micropayments possible. There's also Milk and Mida, which will make Cardano cross-chain compatible with EVM blockchains, and the rollout of supporting infrastructure for developers. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the latest video. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.